Okay, now we're going to take a look at the rules of Pinyin number 3, the use of the initial E and the initial U here. So if a final begins with the final E, final U, or final U, and has no initial before it, we need to add E or U, and they are used in the written form to make a syllable. Now let's take a look at this table here to take a close look. First is the finals that beginning with the initial, with the final E. Let's take a look at how many of them are there. The first one is E itself, then yin, then ying, and then ya, ye, yao, yan, yang, yong, and yo. Okay, so to make this into a syllable, we are going to write in different ways. The first one is to, in the first group, we need to add the initial E before it, so it becomes E, yin, ying. Okay, the next group is we will change the final E here, change it to the initial E, so it becomes like this: ya, ye, yao, yan, yang, yong, like this. And the last one, we need to change this final E become this initial E, and we need to make this yo become its original form. If you remember, this yo actually is transformed from this yo, right? So firstly, we make this back into the original form, then we change this one into the initial E, so it becomes like this. This is yo. Okay, now we are going to the second big group that is beginning with the U. Firstly is U itself. So U itself, we need to add the initial U before the final U. The second group is Wa, Wo, Wai, Wan, Wang, Wong. So we just change the final U into the initial U like this. So it becomes Wa, Wo, Wai, Wan, Wang, Wong. Okay. Now the third group is like Wei and Wen. So we need to make this because they're transformed from the other, right? So we need to write the original form. For example, Wei is transformed from Wei like this. So we write the original form, then change this one into the initial Wu, so it becomes like this Wei, and the same for Wen here. Wen is transformed from this Wen, right? So we change this initial, final Wu become this initial Wu, so it becomes this Wen here. Okay, the third big group is the finals beginning with the U sound. For them, we're going to add the initial E before it and remove the two dots of U, so it becomes like this. The first one is Yu and becomes Yu, Yue becomes Yue, Yuan becomes Yuan, and Yun becomes Yun. Okay, so this is the rules for the use of initial E and initial U. Now let's take a look at some examples, okay? So read after me. 游泳，有戏，音乐，元音，青蛙，影星，英雄， 危险，国外，阴天，语言，往往。Pay attention. There are two third tones here. So the first one should become the second tone when we read it, when you pronounce it. Okay, read after me one more time. 往往. Okay, the next one. 晚宴，爷爷，营养，我们。Okay, this is the use of initial E and initial U